Time to code some magic. I'm really excited to dive into this project and see what we can create together.
Today we will learn how to create this type of video from an image using AI. This is completely free. All you need is just an image and the YouTube application in your smartphone. You can use any image. By the way, I have generated this image using Google AI Studio with its free version of Nano Banana. So, after getting the images, open the YouTube app and click on this plus icon. You can click on this AI option at the top right side to explore more cool features like generating backgrounds, adding motion to your images, etc. But I prefer to add images from this add option at the bottom. Because here we have option to change the length of the clip. After selecting the required length, click on photo to video option. Wait for few seconds, and you will get these suggestions to animate the character. You can also type here prompt for the animation. Let's select any prompt from the suggestions, wait for a minute, and you can see the video is generated automatically.
Time to code some magic. I'm really excited to dive into this project and see what we can create together. Time to code some magic.
Now, if we type anything here in this box and click on generate, wait for a minute. You can see it has generated the animation including the voiceover.
Hi, this is Gurinder Singh and you are watching Witsmith YouTube channel. We bring you the latest content and reviews. Thank you for tuning in.
You can see it has added additional voiceover because the text I typed was shorter than the length of the clip. You can try again. Or trim the clip after clicking on continue. Another way that I use often is by saving the video. Click on next and just change its visibility to unlisted, so that no one can see this video except you. Type any title here, and upload the video on your YouTube channel. After uploading, if you click on three dots, you will have option to download the video. But in my case, it was not working due to unknown problem. There is another way to save your video. You have to open your YouTube Studio in PC, open your channel and you can save your video from here. This is also possible in smartphone if you open YouTube Studio in any web browser. Just make it sure to use the desktop website option in your web browser. So, after saving the video, you can use the video in your projects like I am using it in this video and edit the video in your favorite video editing software. I will explore another interesting AI features of YouTube in part 2 of this video. Until then, keep experimenting with your images. Thanks for watching.